In this study, PET plastic waste, which is a type of polymer commonly used in the manufacture of plastic bottles, has been incorporated into concrete by partially replacing the natural fine aggregate. An experimental study was conducted by casting and testing 90 concrete cylinders and 54 concrete cubes. The downside of the test results show degradation in each of the following characteristics: slump, compressive strength, splitting tensile strength, ultrasonic pulse velocity, water absorption, and porosity.
This article is titled Investigation of the Physical Mechanical Properties and Durability of High-Strength Concrete with Recycled PET as a Partial Replacement for Fine Aggregates and was authored by Qaidi, Yaman Al-Kamaki, Ibrahim Hakeem, Anmar F. Dulaimi, Yasin Özkılıç, and others.
We are www.article.tv. Check out the video description for links to this article.